How did a startup that began in a single Gurugram hotel grow to become one of the largest hospitality tech companies in the world with over 1,57,000 properties across 35 plus countries? Yes, we are talking about Oyo. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Oyo. Its company overview, products and business models, financials, recent achievements, shareholding patterns, and IPO updates. Founded in 2012 by Ritesh Agrawal, Orwell Stays Limited, Oyo, set out to change how India and the world looked at affordable hospitality. What stand as a simple aggregator of budget hotels turned into a global tech-led hospitality platform, today Oyo is present in 800 plus cities across 80 plus countries, including India, the US, UK, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, and many more. As of March 2021, it had over 1,57,000 storefronts listed globally, from hotels and home to vacation stays. Talking about its business model plus services, Oyo operates on a two-sided tech platform, offering value to both customers who book affordable, quality stays and property owners who get access to tools for pricing, distribution, marketing, and operation. There are two main revenue models. First, revenue sharing model. Oyo takes 20 to 35% commission on gross booking value. And second, subscription model. Property owners can list their spaces for a fixed monthly fee. Oyo's tech stack includes 40 plus products and services, helping owners with everything from revenue optimization to housekeeping tools. It's also doubling down on its Super Oyo category, which highlights top-rated guest favorite hotels. Talking about its recent development, Oyo rise to a global brand was no accident. Here is a glimpse into its journey. Launched in India in 2013, expanded to Malaysia in 2016, then UK, China and Indonesia in 2018. Acquired key players like Direct Bookers in Europe, Leisure Group and more. Recently, Oyo became the largest hospitality tech player in Indonesia with 2,500 plus hotels across 180 plus cities. They have also made bold moves in the US market, acquiring assets of G6 Hospitality and focusing on premium hotel expansion. Now, coming to its financials, March 2025 revenue was Rs 6,325.9.0 CR versus Rs 5,541.5 CR in the previous year, which is a growth of 14.16%. Profit after taxes was Rs 244.8 CR in March 2025 versus Rs 229.6 CR in the previous year, which is a growth of 6.62%. And the EPS was Rs 0.38 per share in March 2025 versus Rs 0.4 in March 2024. Its IPO update, as per EGM, filling for an IPO and bonus issue, 1 share for every 19 share, and record date is 5th December 2025. And now, coming to its shareholders. These are the top shareholders owning the majority of shareholding rights. Oyo has had its fair share of ups and downs, from aggressive global expansion to pandemic-era losses, and now a comeback driven by tech and efficiency. If you want to track Oyo's unlisted share price, get real-time IPO alerts, or access other top pre-IPO opportunities, head over to stockify.net.in.